Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I made this two-piece set. It's a layered skirt and a cute tied top. If you want to make one for yourself, grab your fabric and let's get into it. Alright guys, so I need to calculate what I need to cut out on my fabric. So if this is my skirt, I need to determine the length first. So from my waist down to the length, I'm using 46 inches. So if you want yours to be mini, you can use whatever figure that is. If you want it to be midi, you use that, but I want mine to be floor length, and my floor length is 46 inches. So the next thing I'm going to do now is determine how many layers I want my skirts to have. So I want my skirts to have just 3 layers. So I have 1, 2, 3, just 3 layers. So to join these two together now is 1 inch. So half an inch joining, half an inch joining. So that's 2 inches, right? Then at the bottom, I'm going to need 1 inch for hemming. So that's total of 3 inches. So I'm just going to add 3 inches here. So it's going to give me 49. So this is now the total length of my skirts, which is including the joining allowance and the hemming allowance. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do now is take this 49 and divide it by the number of tiers that I have. So I have 3 here. So if yours is 2, you divide it by 2. If you want 4 tiers, you divide it by 4. If you want 5 tiers, you divide it by 5. So since mine is 3, I'm going to be dividing this by 3. So when I do that, what I have is 16.3. So that means the first tier will be 16.3, 16.3, 16.3. So each will be 16.3, but I don't want my tiers to be equally distributed. I want the first tier to be slightly shorter, the second one to be longer than the first, and the third one to be longer than the second and the first. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take out 3 inches from this first tier here. So when I take out 3 inches, I'm left with 13.3. Now the 3 inches I took out, I'm going to add it to the bottom here. So when I do that, I have 19.3, right? So by the time you calculate 19.3, 16.3, and 30.3, you're still going to get 49 inches. So this is the length we're using for our skirts. So now the next thing I'm going to determine is the width of the skirt. So I have my first layer and my second. So now for the width, I'm going to be using my hip circumference. So my hip circumference is 44. So I'm going to multiply that by 1.5 to give a little, room for the gatherings. When I do that, I'm going to have 66 inches. So this is going to be 66 inches. Now I'm going to take this 66 and just multiply it by 1.5 again. When I do that, I get 99. So this second width is 99. Now I'll take 99 and multiply it by 1.5. When I do that, I have 148.5. So this is 148.5. So this is literally all we need, and this is what I'm going to be cutting out on my fabric. So for the first layer, the length from the waist down to this point, you're going to mark down 13.3, and the width is going to be 66 inches. The second layer from this point to this point will be 16.3, and the width is going to be 99 inches. From this point to this point is 19.3, and the width is going to be 148.5. So I'm going to cut this out on my fabric. I have my waistband here. I have the first, second, and third layers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from this very last layer here. I'll gather the very top of the last layer so that it matches the bottom of the second layer. So after gathering the bottom part now, as you can see, I'm going to join it together. So after gathering, this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to gather this top part of the second layer so that it matches the bottom of the first layer. After gathering, now I'm going to join it to the first layer. So this is my band for the skirt, and the width is the same width I used for the first layer of the skirt, which is 66 inches, and the length I used is 3 inches. So by the time I fold it and attach it to my skirt, I'm going to be left with just 1 inch. After attaching the band, this is what I have. So the next step is for me to insert my elastic into the band. After inserting the band, now I'm going to close up my skirt. So I'm going to sew the side seam. Now for the top, from this point to this point is my bust circumference minus 3 inches, and from this point to this point is from on top my bust to underneath my bust. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hem this top area here and also hem the bottom area here. Now I'm going to fold this other end, but while I'm folding, I'm going to create like a space, like a casing where the rope is going to pass through. Now the final step will be to insert my strap into this hole that I created, and that is literally it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope your outfit comes out looking super gorgeous. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I'm going to respond to you, or you can DM me on Instagram. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.